Hello students, this video is for class 7, chapter 1, number system part 2. In this video, we will cover the computer arithmetic concepts. Computer arithmetic topic covers binary addition, binary subtraction, binary multiplication, and binary division. Let us understand the binary addition. Students, to perform binary addition, we have to remember some rules first. The rules are: 0 plus 0 is equals to 0, 0 plus 1 is equals to 1, 1 plus 0 is equals to 1, 1 plus 1 is equals to 0 with 1 to carry. It means when you add a binary 1 with a binary 1, it will give the result as 1 0. At this time, we will write 0 and carry 1 to the next column. In the same way, if we will add 3 binary digits, 3 binary ones together, we will get 1 and 1. We will write 1 and shift the carry to the next column. Let's have a look with an example. Addition of 1101 with 1111, where the binary 1101 is equals to 13 in decimals and binary 1111 is equals to 15 in decimals. Let us add them together by using the rules. Let's solve the first column from the right hand side. 1 plus 1. So students, according to the rule, when a 1 is added with 1, it returns 1 0, where we write 0 and carry 1. Now shift to the next column. In this column, we are having 1, 0 and 1. 1 plus 0, according to the rules, is equals to 1, and again 1 plus 1 will be equals to 1 0. So again we have got 1 0, so we will write 0 and carry 1. Shift to the next column now. Now in this column we are having 3 ones together. As you know well, according to the rules, whenever there are 3 ones in a column, in a line, then the result is 1 1, where we write 1 and carry 1. Again we have get 3 ones together. Let's add them. 3 1 means 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equals to 1 1. It is solved. Hence the answer is 1101 plus 1111 is equals to 11100, which is actually the binary of 28. I hope you have understood the binary addition process. The rules are important to remember. If you remember the rules, the process is very easy. Let's understand the binary subtraction. The binary subtraction is also based on some rules. The rules are: if you subtract a 0 from a 0, the difference will be 0, and there will be no borrow. If you subtract a 1 from a 0, the difference will be 1 and the borrow will be 1. If you subtract a 0 from 1, the difference will be 1 and borrow will be 0. If you subtract a 1 from 1, the difference will be 0 and there will be no borrow. Here the only one rule is to be remembered, that when we will subtract a 1 from a 0, the difference will be 1. Let's understand with an example. Subtraction of 1111 minus 1101 equals to what value? One 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 is binary of 15 and 1101 is binary of 13. So whenever we subtract a decimal 13 from a decimal 15, we will obtain a decimal 2. In the same way, if we will subtract the binary of 13 with the binary of 15, we will get the binary of 2. Let's see. Solve the first column from the right hand side. 1 minus 1, according to the rules, the difference is 0. Next column. 1 minus 0, according to the rules, the difference is 1. 1 minus 1, according to the rules, is equals to 0. 1 minus 1, again the result is 0. Thus, the subtraction of 1101 from 1111 will be 10. Let's take another example. 1000 minus 101. Let's solve it. 1000 is binary of 8 and 101 is binary of 5. You can find these values by converting the binary values into the decimal values. Let us solve the given problem by using the binary subtraction rules. Let us solve the first column from right hand side, 0 minus 1. According to the rules, when we subtract a 1 from a 0, the difference will be 1. Why? Because a 1 cannot be subtracted from a 0, so it will take borrow. When it will take borrow, it will become 10. 10 is binary of 2, and when we subtract a binary of 1, that is 1, from the binary of 2, that is 10, we will get the binary of 1. That is why 0 minus 1 is equals to 1. After writing this, all the zeros before the solved 0 will be cut and converted to 1, and the 1 which has given the borrow will be converted to 0. Let's come to solve the second column. 1 minus 0 is equals to 1. 1 minus 1 is equals to 0. 0 minus 0 is equals to 0. Thus, 1000 minus 101 is equals to 11. Students, I hope you have understood the binary subtraction process now. You can practice the given problems in the textbook. Let us understand the binary multiplication and binary division. The binary multiplication is same as the decimal multiplication. The rules for performing multiplication using binary numbers is same as that of the decimal numbers. During addition of digits in the process of binary multiplication, we should follow the rules of binary addition. Only this we have to remember, that if the multiplication is multi-line, so during addition of the digits we should follow the rules of binary addition. Let's see an example. In this example, 101 is multiplied by 11. The multiplication is done in the same manner as you do in your mathematics. The sum will be obtained according to the rules of binary addition. Binary division. The rules for performing division using binary numbers is same as that of the decimal numbers. During subtraction of the digits in the process of binary division, we will follow the rules of binary subtraction. Let's have a look of an example. 110 divided by 10. The division is applied in the same manner as you do in mathematics, the division of decimal numbers. The only difference is that when we subtract the digits, the subtraction should be followed by using the binary subtraction rules. Thank you, students. I hope you have understood the chapter well. Try to solve the exercises given in the chapter. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.